Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at that very famous Christmas carol, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, on a chromatic harmonica. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. Here's what We Wish You a Merry Christmas looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And this is how it sounds. G, C, C, D, C, B, A, D, D, E, D, C, B, G, G, E, E, F, E, D, C, A, G, G, A, D, B, C, G, C, C, D, C, B, A, D, D, E, D, C, B, G, G, E, E, F, E, D, C, A, G, G, A, D, B, C, G, C, 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 B, B, C, B, A, G, G, E, D, D, C, C, G, 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 A, D, B, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 3. Blow into 5 twice. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. And breathe in through 3 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 3. Breathe in through 5 twice. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 3. Blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 3 twice. Breathe in through 3. Breathe in through 5. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Normally, when you sing this song, you repeat phrases 1 to 4. So let's pretend we've done that and move straight on to the next phrase. Blow into 3. Blow into 4 3 times. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 4. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. Breathe in through 3. and blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 7, blow into 3, blow into 6, breathe in through 5 twice, blow into 5 twice, blow into 7, and blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 4, so let's try putting all the phrases together, and remember to repeat phrases 1 to 4. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to show more support, then please visit our Patreon page. There's a link in the description below. And finally, don't forget to check out some of my other lessons. And until next time, stay tuned.